What's up, my ODYSSEY Battery friends? My name is Rob Blanton, and I am the CEO, co-founder, and full-time volunteer for the veteran nonprofit Warfighter Made. Here at Warfighter Made, we adapt and customize vehicles for catastrophically wounded warfighters so they can continue to do the things they love while that vehicle represents their individual personality, and we do it all free of charge. Since the very first day, every vehicle that has left the Warfighter Made shop has included an ODYSSEY battery, and we're proud to team up with ODYSSEY in support of National Car Care Month. Now, let's get to this week's ODYSSEY Battery maintenance tip. Make sure your batteries are kept clean. If the battery needs to be cleaned, disconnect it. Neutralize the acid accumulation with diluted ammonia or a paste of 1 part water to 3 parts baking soda. Clean the deposits on the terminals with a battery terminal brush and additional grime from the battery's exterior and cable clamps with water. When the battery is reconnected, coat the terminals with grease or petroleum jelly to prevent deposits from accumulating again. As always, be sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for battery care and handling and direct all questions to a battery professional. To follow the latest ODYSSEY Battery news, visit our website at www.odysseybattery.com or connect with us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook by using the hashtag MyOdyssey.